Highly intelligent women are not born extraordinary. They are made by choices, by habits, and by the courage to stand tall in a world that constantly tries to define them. An intelligent woman doesn't wait for the world to clap for her. She doesn't wait for validation, approval, or permission. She understands something very early in life. Her power begins the moment she believes in herself. You see, intelligence is not just about knowledge or degrees, it's about how you think, how you respond, and how you rise, especially when life tests you. Highly intelligent women are not afraid to be uncomfortable. They grow through pressure, they evolve through failure, and they learn to trust their inner voice, even when the noise around them is loud. They don't try to fit into boxes that were never built for them. They don't shrink their dreams to make others feel secure. Instead, they choose discipline over excuses, clarity over chaos, and purpose over fear. An intelligent woman knows that success is not luck. It's habit. It's waking up even when motivation is gone. It's choosing growth over comfort. It's standing up for yourself without guilt and walking away from anything that costs you your peace. She understands that being strong doesn't mean being cold. It means being emotionally aware, setting boundaries, and protecting her energy. And most importantly, highly intelligent women own their ambition. They don't apologize for wanting more, from life, from love, from themselves. This is not about being perfect, this is about being intentional. Because when a woman builds the right habits, she doesn't just change her life, she changes the world around her. Highly intelligent women are not born extraordinary. They are shaped by the choices they make every single day, by the habits they repeat when no one is watching, and by the courage it takes to stand tall in a world that constantly tries to define their limits. They understand that power is not something given, it is something built patiently and deliberately over time. An intelligent woman does not wait for applause to begin. She does not wait for approval to believe in herself. Long before the world recognizes her worth, she has already decided it for herself. She knows that confidence is not arrogance, it is self-trust. It is the quiet certainty that she belongs in every room she walks into, even when doubt whispers otherwise. True intelligence goes far beyond books, degrees, or titles. It lives in the way a woman thinks, in how she responds under pressure, and in how she rises after being knocked down. Highly intelligent women understand that life will test them, challenge them, and sometimes try to break them. But instead of resisting discomfort, they lean into it. They recognize that growth often feels uncomfortable before it feels empowering. They do not try to fit into spaces that were never designed to hold them. They refuse to shrink their dreams to make others feel secure. Instead, they expand. They evolve. They choose discipline over excuses and clarity over chaos. When fear shows up, they don't run from it. They ask what it's trying to teach them. Intelligent women understand that success is not a moment, it is a habit. It is showing up when motivation fades. It is choosing consistency over convenience. It is doing the hard work in silence while others wait for the perfect moment. They know that the life they want is built through small, intentional actions repeated daily. They also understand the power of emotional intelligence. Strength for them does not mean being cold or detached. It means being aware. It means setting boundaries without guilt and protecting their peace without explanation. They know when to speak, when to listen, and when to walk away. They value their energy because they understand it is one of their most valuable assets. Highly intelligent women do not see failure as the end of the road. They see it as feedback. Every mistake becomes a lesson. Every setback becomes redirection. They allow themselves to fall, but they refuse to stay down. Each time they rise wiser, stronger, and more aligned with who they are becoming. They are not driven by comparison, they are driven by purpose. They measure success by growth, not by other people's timelines. They celebrate their progress, no matter how small, because they understand that transformation is a process, not an overnight event. Most importantly, highly intelligent women own their ambition. They do not apologize for wanting more, from life, from love, from their careers, and from themselves. They understand that dreaming big is not a flaw, it is a responsibility. By fully stepping into who they are meant to be, They give other women permission to do the same. This is not about perfection. It is about intention. It is about choosing every day to become a little braver, a little wiser, and a little stronger. Because when a woman builds the right habits, she doesn't just change her own life, she elevates everything and everyone around her. Highly intelligent women understand early on that life will not always be fair, kind, or predictable, and instead of resenting that truth, they prepare for it. They build resilience quietly, knowing that strength is not loud, dramatic, or performative. It is steady, it is calm, it is the ability to keep going even when the path ahead is unclear. They do not depend on constant reassurance to feel worthy. Their confidence is not borrowed from compliments or approval. It is earned through self-awareness and inner work. When doubts arise, as they do for everyone, intelligent women acknowledge them, but they do not let those doubts take the wheel. They remind themselves of who they are, what they've survived, and why they started. Highly intelligent women take responsibility for their lives. They don't blame circumstances forever. They don't stay stuck in victimhood. They understand that while they may not control everything that happens to them, they always control how they respond. This mindset gives them power. It shifts them from reaction to intention, from fear to choice. They are curious learners. They constantly observe, reflect, and evolve, whether it's learning a new skill, unlearning old beliefs, or reprogramming patterns that no longer serve them. They stay open to growth. They are not afraid to outgrow people, places, or versions of themselves. They know that growth often requires letting go. Discipline plays a quiet but powerful role in their lives. Intelligent women don't wait to feel inspired. They understand that inspiration follows action, not the other way around. They create routines that support their goals and protect those routines fiercely. They choose long-term fulfillment over short-term comfort, knowing that real success is built when no one is applauding. They also understand the importance of emotional balance. Highly intelligent women allow themselves to feel deeply, but they do not allow emotions to control their decisions. They pause before reacting. They think before speaking. They choose their battles wisely, understanding that peace is often more valuable than proving a point. Boundaries are another habit they master. They know that saying no is not selfish, it is necessary. They don't explain themselves endlessly or carry guilt for protecting their time and energy. They understand that boundaries are not walls, they are filters that keep their lives aligned with their values. Failure does not intimidate them. In fact, it teaches them. Intelligent women see failure as part of the journey, not a personal flaw. Each setback sharpens their wisdom. Each challenge strengthens their character. They trust that even when things fall apart, something within them is being built. They are not obsessed with competing against others. Their focus is internal. They compare themselves only to who they were yesterday. Progress matters more than perfection. Growth matters more than validation. They stay committed to becoming better, not bitter. Highly intelligent women also understand the power of self-respect. They do not chase attention, love, or recognition from places that cannot meet them at their level. They walk away from disrespect, inconsistency, and environments that drain them. Not because they are cold, but because they value themselves too much to settle. Ambition for them is not something to hide. They embrace it boldly. They know that wanting more does not make them difficult, intimidating, or ungrateful. It makes them honest. They refuse to dim their light to make others comfortable. Above all, highly intelligent women live with intention. They choose growth over fear, purpose over pressure, and authenticity over approval. Every habit they build moves them closer to the woman they are becoming. And in doing so, they don't just transform their own lives. They inspire a quiet revolution of strength, clarity, and confidence wherever they go. Highly intelligent women move through life with an inner awareness that guides their decisions, even when the world around them feels uncertain. They understand that clarity is power, and they take the time to listen to themselves before listening to the noise of others. While opinions come and go, their values remain steady, shaping the way they think, act, and choose. They are deeply intentional with their time. Intelligent women know that time is the one resource they can never earn back, so they invest it wisely. They focus on what truly matters and release what no longer serves their growth. Distractions, unnecessary drama, and energy-draining relationships are slowly but firmly removed from their lives. This is not arrogance, it is self-respect. Highly intelligent women trust the process of becoming. They don't rush their journey or compare their path to someone else's highlight reel. They understand that real success takes time, patience, and persistence, even when progress feels slow. They remain committed, knowing that consistency compounds in ways that are often invisible at first. They develop a strong relationship with solitude. Silence does not scare them, it strengthens them. In moments alone, they reflect, plan, and reconnect with their purpose. Solitude becomes a place of clarity rather than loneliness, allowing them to hear their inner voice without distraction. This habit keeps them grounded and self-aware. Emotionally intelligent women are honest with themselves. They do not suppress their feelings, nor do they let emotions dictate their actions. They acknowledge pain without living in it. They allow healing to take its time. By facing their emotions with courage, they turn vulnerability into wisdom and strength. They are not afraid of hard conversations or difficult choices. Intelligent women understand that temporary discomfort is often the price of long-term peace. They choose truth over avoidance and growth over familiarity. Whether it's ending a chapter, setting a boundary, or walking away from something once cherished, they trust themselves enough to choose what is right over what is easy. Learning never stops for them. Highly intelligent women stay curious about the world and about themselves. They ask questions, seek perspectives, and remain open to new ideas. They understand that intelligence is not knowing everything. It is being willing to learn, adapt, and evolve. This mindset keeps them flexible and relevant in a constantly changing world. They also understand the importance of self-care beyond surface-level comfort. For them, self-care means discipline, rest,
Highly intelligent women are not born
It
extraordinary.
means knowing when to push
They are
forward and
made
when to pause.
by choices,
They
by
listen to their
habits, and
bodies
by the
and
courage
mind,
to
honoring
stand
the
tall
signals
in
that
a
guide them
world that
toward
constantly
balance.
tries to define
Highly
them.
intelligent women do not
An
define
intelligent
themselves
woman
by their
doesn't
past.
wait for the world to clap
They
for
learn
her.
from it.
She doesn't
But
wait
they are
for
not chained to
validation,
it.
approval, or
Mistakes
permission.
become lessons,
She understands
not
something
labels.
very early in life. Her
They
power
forgive
begins the moment she
themselves
believes in
for who they
herself.
once were and give themselves permission
intelligence
to
is
become
not
more.
just about knowledge or degrees.
This ability to
It's
release
about how you
shame and
think,
self-judgment
how you respond,
allows
and
them
how
to
you
move
rise,
forward with confidence.
especially when life tests
They
you.
are selective with
Highly
their
intelligent
circles.
women are not afraid
Intelligent
to be
women
uncomfortable.
surround themselves
They
with
grow
people
through
who challenge
pressure.
them,
They
evolve
evolve
them and
through
respect
failure.
their boundaries.
And they learn to
understand
trust their
that
inner
growth
voice.
requires the right
Even when the
environment.
noise around them
Rather
is
than
loud.
fearing outgrowing
They don't try to
relationships,
fit into
they
boxes
accept it
that
as
were
a
never
natural
built
part
for
of
them.
evolution.
They don't
At
shrink
their
their
core,
dreams
highly
to make
intelligent
others
women
feel
lead with
secure.
authenticity.
Instead, they
They're
choose
not trying to
discipline over
impress.
excuses,
They're trying to
clarity
express
over
who they
chaos,
truly
and
are.
purpose
They
over
speak
fear.
their truth,
An
stand in
intelligent
their
woman
values,
knows that
and move
success
through
is
the
not
world
luck.
with quiet confidence.
It's habit.
Their power
It's
is
waking
not
up
in being
even when
perfect,
motivation
but
is
in being
gone.
real.
It's
Every
choosing
habit
growth
they
over
build,
comfort.
every choice they
It's
make,
standing up for
aligns them
yourself
closer
without
to their
guilt
purpose.
and walking away from
And as
anything
they
that
continue
costs
to
you your
grow,
peace.
they leave a lasting
She understands
impact.
that being strong
Not by
doesn't mean
demanding
being cold.
attention,
It
but by
means being
embodying
emotionally
strength,
aware,
wisdom,
setting
and
boundaries, and
self-belief
protecting her
wherever
energy.
they go.
And most
Highly intelligent
importantly,
women understand
highly
that their
intelligent
greatest
women
strength
own
lies
their
in how they
ambition.
respond to life,
They
not in
don't
how loudly
apologize
they
for
announce
wanting
their
more.
abilities.
From life,
From
they
love,
move with a
from
quiet
themselves.
confidence that doesn't need
This is not about
validation
being perfect,
because it is
this is
rooted
about
in
being
self-awareness.
They know
Because
who
when a
they
woman
are,
builds the
and
right
they are
habits,
comfortable
she
standing
doesn't just
alone
change
if
her
that
life,
is what growth
she changes the
requires.
world around her.
They are
Highly
intentional
intelligent
about their
women
mindset.
are not born extraordinary.
Intelligent women monitor
They
their
are
thoughts
shaped by the
carefully,
choices they
knowing
make
that what
every
they
single
repeatedly
day.
think
By the
eventually
habits
becomes
they
what they
repeat when no
believe.
one is watching,
Instead
and by
of
the
feeding
courage it takes
self-doubt,
to stand
they
tall
practice
in a world that
self-talk
constantly
that is
tries
honest
to
but
define their
empowering.
limits.
They understand
challenge
that
limiting
power is not
beliefs,
something given,
question
it is
fear-driven
something
thoughts,
built
and replace them with
perspectives
patiently
that support
and
progress
deliberately
rather than paralysis.
over time.
Highly
An intelligent woman
women are
does not
patient
wait
with
for
themselves.
applause to begin.
They understand that
She does
becoming
not wait
better
for
is a
approval to
process,
believe in
not a
herself.
race.
Long
They don't
before the
punish
world
themselves for
recognizes
not
her
having
worth,
everything
she's
figured
already
out.
decided it for
Instead,
herself.
they allow space
She
for learning,
knows that confidence
mistakes,
is not arrogance,
and
it is
evolution.
self-trust. It
This
is the
patience
quiet
gives them
certainty that she
emotional
belongs in
stability
every room she
and
walks
keeps
into,
them from burning
even
out
when
while
doubt
chasing
whispers
success.
otherwise.
They take
True
ownership of their
intelligence
decisions.
goes far beyond books,
When things go
degrees, or
wrong, they
titles.
reflect instead
It
of
lives in the way
deflecting
a woman
blame.
thinks,
They ask themselves
in how
what
she
they can
responds
learn,
under
how they can
pressure,
improve,
and in how
what
she
they can
rises
do
after
differently
being
next
knocked
time.
down.
Highly
This habit
intelligent
of
women
accountability
understand
keeps
that
them
life
growing
will test
and
them,
prevents them from
challenge
staying
them, and
stuck in the
sometimes
same
try to break
cycles.
them. Intelligent
instead of
women
resisting
value depth over
discomfort,
noise.
they lean into
They are
it.
not easily
They
distracted by
recognize that
trends,
growth often
opinions,
feels
or external
uncomfortable
pressure.
before it feels empowering.
They think critically before
They do
following
not
the
try to
crowd,
fit into spaces
whether it's
that
in
were never
relationships,
designed to hold them.
careers, or
They
life
refuse
choices.
to shrink their
They make
dreams to make
decisions
others
based
feel
on alignment
secure, rather
Instead,
than popularity.
they expand.
This
Clarity
clarity
allows them to build
choose
lives that
discipline
feel
over
authentic,
excuses,
not
and clarity
performative.
over chaos.
They also understand
When fear
the
shows
importance
up,
of rest.
they don't run from it.
Highly intelligent
They ask
women
what it's trying
know
to
that
teach them.
exhaustion clouds
Intelligent
judgment
women
and
understand
drains
that
creativity.
success is not a
They do
moment,
not
it is a
glorify
habit.
burnout.
They
It is
listen
showing
to their
up when
bodies and
motivation
respect
fails.
their limits.
It is choosing
Understanding that rest
consistency
is
over
not a weakness
convenience,
but a strategy.
It is doing the hard work
By allowing
in silence.
themselves to
While
recharge, they
others
show
wait
up
for the
stronger,
perfect
sharper,
moment.
and more focused.
They know that the life they want
Emotionally,
is
they are
built through
resilient.
small,
They
intentional
allow themselves
actions
to feel
repeated
disappointment,
daily.
heartbreak,
They
and
also
frustration,
understand the
but
power
they don't
of
unpack
emotional
and live there.
intelligence.
They process
Strength
emotions
for
with
them
honesty,
does not mean
then
being
choose
cold
to
or
move
detached.
forward.
They
They
understand
understand
that
that
pain
pain
is
is part of growth.
It
but
means
suffering
setting
is
boundaries
optional
without
when
guilt
lessons
and
are
protecting
learned.
their peace
Highly
without
intelligent women
explanation.
are clear about their
They
standards.
know when to speak,
They do
when
not
to listen,
tolerate
and when to walk
disrespect,
away.
inconsistency,
They value
or
their
manipulation.
energy because they
This doesn't make them
understand it is
rigid
one of
or
their most
unkind. It
valuable
makes them
assets.
self-respecting. They
Highly
know that what they
intelligent
allow
women
will
do not
continue.
see failure
so
as
they
the end
choose
of the
carefully
road.
what
They see
and
it as
who
feedback.
gets access to them.
Every
They are
mistake becomes a
proactive
lesson.
about their future.
Every setback
Intelligent
becomes
women
redirection.
plan, prepare, and
They allow
position
themselves to
themselves for
fall,
opportunities,
but they refuse
long
to stay
before they
down.
arrive.
Each time they
They
rise,
invest
they
in
rise
skills,
wiser,
knowledge, and
stronger, and more
experiences that
aligned with who
expand
they
their
are
capacity.
becoming.
They don't
They
wait
are not
to be
driven by comparison.
ready because
They
they
are
know
driven by
readiness is built
purpose.
through action.
They measure
not
success
perfection.
by growth.
They are
not
comfortable
by other
being
people's
misunderstood.
timelines.
Highly
They
intelligent
celebrate
women
their
know that
progress,
not everyone
no
will
matter
agree
how
with their
small,
choices,
because they
and make
understand
peace
that
with
transformation is a
They
process,
don't waste energy
not an
explaining
overnight
themselves
event.
to people committed to misunderstanding
Most importantly,
them. Instead,
highly
they stay
intelligent
focused
women
on their
own
purpose
their ambition.
and let results
They do
speak
not
louder
apologize
than
for
words.
wanting more.
They practice
From
gratitude
life, from
without
love, from their
settling.
careers, and
They
from
appreciate
themselves.
how far they've
They
come
understand
while
that
still
dreaming
striving
big
for
is
more.
not a flaw. It is a
This balance
responsibility.
keeps them grounded
by
and
fully
motivated
stepping
at
into
the
who
same
they are
time.
meant to be.
They
They give
celebrate
other women
progress,
permission
no
to
matter
do the
how
same.
small, because
This
they
is
understand
not about
that momentum
perfection.
is built
It
through
is about
acknowledgement.
intention.
At their
It is
core,
about choosing
highly intelligent
every day
women to become a
live with
little
integrity.
braver, a little
Their
wiser,
actions
and a little
align
stronger
with their values.
Because when
They
a
do
woman
what
builds
feels
the right
right.
habits,
She
she doesn't
doesn't
just
just change her own
difficult or
life, she
inconvenient.
elevates everything and everyone
This
around her.
alignment creates
Highly
inner
intelligent
peace.
women understand
And that
early on
peace
that life will
becomes
not
their
always
power.
be fair, kind, or predictable.
Over time, these
And
habits
instead of
shape not
resenting
just
their
their
truth,
success,
they prepare
but their
for it.
character.
They build resilience
They become
quietly,
women who
knowing
inspire
that
not by
strength is
force,
not
but
loud,
by
dramatic,
example.
or performative.
Women who
It is
lead
steady,
not by
it is
volume,
calm,
but by
it is
presence.
the ability to keep
And
going
as they
even
continue
when the
to
path
grow,
ahead
they
is
leave
unclear.
behind a legacy of
They do not
strength,
depend on
clarity,
constant
and
reassurance to
self-respect.
feel worthy.
That
Their
speaks
confidence
long
is not
after
borrowed
they've
from
moved on.
compliments or approval. It is
Highly
earned through
intelligent women
self-awareness and
approach
inner work.
life with a
When
deep
doubts
sense
arise,
of responsibility
as they do
for
for
who
everyone,
they are becoming.
intelligent women acknowledge
They understand
them,
that every
but they do not
choice,
let those
no
doubts
matter
take
how
the wheel.
small, they remind
contributes
themselves
to
of
the
who they
person
are,
they
what
will be
they
tomorrow,
survived, and why they started.
Because of this awareness,
highly intelligent
they
women
live
take
deliberately.
responsibility for their
They
lives.
do not drift through
They
life
don't blame
reacting to
circumstances
forever.
They
don't
shape
stay
their
stuck
lives
in
through
victimhood.
conscious
They understand that
decisions and
while they may not
consistent
control
habits.
everything that
They are
happens
honest
to
with
them, they
themselves in
always
ways that are
control
sometimes
how they
uncomfortable.
respond.
Intelligent
This
women do
mindset
not
gives
hide
them
from their flaws
power.
or weaknesses.
It
Instead,
shifts
they
them
observe
from
them,
reaction to
learn from
intention,
them, and
from
work
fear
to
to
improve.
choice.
This
They are
self-honesty
curious
gives
learners.
them clarity.
They constantly
It
observe,
allows them to
reflect,
grow
and
without
evolve,
self-deception,
whether it's learning
and
a new
move
skill,
forward, unlearning
without
old
carrying
beliefs,
unnecessary
or
illusions
reprogramming
about
patterns
who
that no longer serve
they
them.
are.
They stay
Highly
open to
intelligent
growth.
women understand
They
the
are not
power of
afraid to
focus.
outgrow people, places,
In a
or
world
versions
full
of
of distractions,
themselves.
they protect
They
their
know that
attention
growth
fiercely.
often requires letting go.
They know that where their focus
Discipline
goes,
plays
their
a
energy
quiet but
flows.
powerful role in
Instead
their
of
lives.
spreading themselves
Intelligent
thin,
women
they
don't
concentrate
wait to
on
feel
what aligns
inspired.
with their values
They
and
understand
long-term
that
goals.
inspiration follows
This
action.
ability to focus
Not the other
deeply
way
allows
around.
them to make
They
meaningful
create
progress
routines that support
while
their
others
goals
remain busy
and
but
protect those
unfulfilled.
routines fiercely.
They're comfortable
They
delaying
choose long-term
gratification.
fulfillment over short-term
Intelligent
comfort,
women understand
knowing
that
that
every
real
reward
success
is
is built
immediate
when no one is
and the most
applauding.
meaningful results
They
take
also
time.
understand the
They choose
importance of
patience over
emotional
impulse,
balance,
knowing that discipline
Highly
today
intelligent
creates
women
freedom
allow
tomorrow.
themselves to
This
feel
habit
deeply,
shapes their careers,
but they do not allow
relationships,
emotions
and
to
personal
control their
growth in powerful
decisions.
ways.
They pause
Emotionally,
before
they cultivate
reacting.
stability.
They think
Highly
before
intelligent
speaking.
women do not allow
They
momentary
choose their battles
emotions to
wisely,
dictate long-term
understanding
decisions.
that peace is
They
often
pause,
more
reflect, and
valuable than
respond
proving
with
a point.
intention. Boundaries
mean
are
they
another
suppress their
habit they
feelings.
master.
It means they respect them
They
without
know that
surrendering
saying no
control
is
to
not
them.
selfish.
Emotional
it is
balance
necessary.
becomes one of their greatest strengths.
They don't explain
They place
themselves
great value on
endlessly
learning
or
from
carry
experience.
guilt for protecting
Intelligent
their time
women
and
reflect
energy.
on what works
They
and what
understand
doesn't.
that boundaries
They ask
are not
themselves
walls,
difficult
they are
questions and are
filters that
willing to
keep their
adjust their
lives
approach
aligned
when
with their
necessary.
values.
Failure does not discourage them.
Failure does
It
not
educates
intimidate them.
Every experience
In fact,
becomes
it
data
teaches them.
that helps them navigate
Intelligent
future
women see
challenges
failure
more
as
wisely.
part of the journey,
Highly
not a
intelligent
personal
women
flaw.
also understand
Each
the
setback
importance of
sharpens
independence.
their wisdom.
While they
Each
value
challenge
connection and
strengthens their
collaboration,
character.
they do not depend
They
on
trust
others
that
to
even
define their
when things
worth or
fall
direction.
apart,
They are
something
capable
within
of
them is
standing
being
on their
built.
own, making their own
They are
decisions,
not obsessed
and
with
trusting
competing
themselves
against
even when the
others.
path is unfamiliar.
Their focus is
they are
internal
intentional
with their words.
They compare themselves
Intelligent
only to
women
who they
speak
were
with
yesterday.
purpose and listen with attention.
Progress matters
They
more than
understand that
perfection.
communication shapes
Growth
relationships
matters.
and outcomes.
More
They avoid
than
unnecessary
validation.
negativity, gossip,
They stay
and
committed to
self-sabotaging.
becoming better,
Language.
not bitter. Instead,
Highly
they use
intelligent
words to
women
build
also
clarity,
understand the
confidence,
power of
and understanding.
self-respect. They respect
They do
their
not
limits
chase
and honor their
attention,
needs.
love, or recognition
Highly
from
intelligent
places
women
that
know when to
cannot
push
meet them at
forward
their
and when
level.
to pause.
They walk
They
away from
recognize that
disrespect,
ignoring their well-being leads to
inconsistency,
imbalance
and
and
environments
burnout.
that drain them.
By honoring rest,
Not because
boundaries,
they are
and
cold, but
self-care,
because they value
protect the
themselves too
foundation
much
that
to
allows
settle.
them to perform at
Ambition
their best.
for them is not
They
something
do not
to
fear
hide.
change.
They embrace
Intelligent
it boldly.
women understand
they know
that change
wanting
is not a
more
threat,
does not make them
but an
difficult,
opportunity for
intimidating, or
growth.
ungrateful. It makes
When
them
life
honest.
shifts, they adapt.
They refuse to dim
When
their
something
light to
ends,
make
they
others
make room
comfortable.
for what's next.
Above all,
They trust their ability
highly
to
intelligent
rebuild,
women
reinvent,
live
and
with
rise
intention.
again.
They hold
They
themselves to
choose
high
growth
standards
over
without
fear,
being cruel to
purpose
themselves.
over pressure.
They strive
and
for
authenticity
excellence,
over approval,
not perfection.
Every
When they
habit
fall
they
short,
build moves them
they
closer
reflect
to the woman
rather
they
than
are becoming.
self-punish. And in
This
doing
balanced
so,
approach
they don't
keeps
just
them
transform
motivated
their own lives
without becoming
they
overwhelmed by
inspire
pressure.
a quiet revolution
At the core
of
of their
strength,
lives is
clarity,
intention.
and confidence.
Highly intelligent women
choose who they want to
Highly
be and
intelligent
align their
women
actions
move through
accordingly.
life with an inner awareness
They do not
that
wait for
guides
the
their
perfect
decisions,
moment
even
to
when the
begin.
world around them
They
feels
start where they
uncertain.
are with what they have.
They understand
Over time,
that clarity
these small
is
intentional
power.
choices compound
and they
into
take
a
the time
life
to
of
listen to
confidence,
themselves
wisdom,
before listening
and
to the
quiet
noise of
power.
others.
One that
While
speaks for
opinions
itself
come and
without
go,
needing
their
to be
values remain
announced.
steady, shaping the way they think, act, and choose. They are deeply intentional with their time. Intelligent women know that time is the one resource they can never earn back, so they invest it wisely. They focus on what